What if a car didn't just drive down the road, but announced its presence with power, style, and pure American confidence? Today, we're diving into the legendary 1959 Buick LeSabre, a classic that defined the bold spirit of late 1950s America. If you love classic cars, vintage V8 engines, and timeless American design, stay with us until the end. The 1959 Buick LeSabre was part of Buick's full-size lineup under General Motors. Although it was considered Buick's entry-level model, the LeSabre delivered luxury, performance, and road presence far beyond its price point. The 1959 model year remains one of the most iconic in Buick history, and for good reason. Exterior design and styling. The design of the 1959 Buick LeSabre is impossible to ignore. Massive tail fins, wide chrome-filled grille, dual round headlights, long, low, and wide body proportions. This was the height of the jet age, when American cars were inspired by aircraft and space travel. Every angle of the LeSabre screams confidence, power, and optimism, the true personality of 1950s America. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1959 Buick LeSabre was powered by a 364 cubic inch V8 engine. Output: around 250 to 300 horsepower. Transmission: Dynaflow automatic. Drivetrain: rear-wheel drive. This car wasn't built for racing, it was built for smooth highway cruising. Quiet, powerful, and incredibly comfortable, the LeSabre made long road trips effortless. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted by classic American luxury. Wide bench seats, soft upholstery, large steering wheel, chrome dashboard accents, power steering and power brakes. In the late 1950s, owning a Buick wasn't just transportation, it was a statement of success. Popularity and cultural impact. In the United States, the 1959 Buick LeSabre became a favorite for families, professionals, and road trip lovers. It appeared in classic Hollywood films, vintage advertisements, car shows and parades. Today, it remains highly respected among classic car collectors and enthusiasts. Value and legacy today. A well-preserved or fully restored 1959 Buick LeSabre can sell for $25,000 to $50,000 or more. Its value continues to rise, proving one thing: true American classics never go out of style. Call to action. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary 1959 Buick LeSabre, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CarOg 765, and comment below. Would you drive this classic today?